Hello, my name is Albert, and today I'm going to show you how to install all the wires from ROG Loki power supply. I'm going to use this, and my main motherboard is going to be 760i, as well from ASUS, and I'm going to show you how to do it. I didn't find any necessary papers or how-to guides how to do this specifically on this supply, so I'm making this video right now. First of all, you're gonna need this cable. This will connect your PSU here to the main motherboard connection, so right here. This is gonna give you the general supply of power to the motherboard. To do so, make sure read ATX goes here. These two go inside here. So I'm going to show the motherboard first. This thing goes like so. And I'm going to plug it in fully, just so I could take it out later. This will make sure that goes like so. And the other thing goes like so. Make sure you're fully clicked in and it's all secure. Not like so, because I want to take it out. And this will give you the main power supply to your board. One done. Next one, we need to connect the CPU cable, this one, to PSU. Very easy. The whole PSU, let me find it, goes like so, connects. The other end, yep, goes on top right here, like this. I think we can show you. There you go. And it should stay fit and secured. And you'll have the power to your CPU, which is this one. Awesome. That'll be number 2. Now, it's all different for every graphics card. I have an ASUS, there you go, 5070. It has a connection here. It came with additional cable. The graphic card itself, let me find it. So it's separate. So my graphics card came with this wire separately from this one. It wasn't in the box in here. And I got it with, this cable. It has PSU on this side, and it has 2 separate cables, which split in another 2 separate cables that say PCIe. Cool. Now, first, you need a full connection with this thing. You grab your cable at the end. It doesn't click in, but it fits together. Let me find it. Like so. And you connect both ends, if you're able to, like so. You click in. Oh, failing here. There you go. There you go. You click in, it should stay. The other thing you do for the other side, you connect this the same way, and it should stay together as one wire, like so. It can be one long wire. Then the only wire you can fit this is in here. You just easily connect, and this will give the power to GPU. At the other end, you'll need to connect. Again, I'm going to show you with the wire that GPU came in right here. Click in, make sure it's secure. There's a lot of, fire hazard danger that can come with if you don't do it properly. What else is left? There's one small wire left that gives your RGB on this thing, so it'll make it shine and give light power. Oh, now it's a thin little wire. Goes here, like so, secures, and on the motherboard there's a 3-pin connection on the top. This one, I'll make it closer. There you go. and this thing will sit neatly on top of it. There you go. And those are the main wires. Also, for the RGB to work, you might need the software. I'm sure you can find it yourself. But those are the main things you'll need to know how to connect your power supply to your motherboard. As well, if you have a water cooler, there might be a wire that needs like additional power, and it's this or this or this. Those three, yeah, they're peripheral, I can't pronounce. They're extra wires that will give you power supply, power to your additional things. As well, you can get the last one, let me show you. Things like this, those are what they called, oh, not this one. I can't find them. There you go, and they're SATA cables, so it connects additional hard drives and stuff like that to your PC. And you would connect those wires, if I can find it, you can see it in here. And this motherboard has SSD, but they're already inside, or you can put them here. So they don't need any additional power. It all comes from here. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you later.